guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Deborah. If you're new here, we're so glad to have you. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you like and find the content helpful. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this easy and beautiful balloon Christmas tree using a stand. This is perfect for parties, photos, or holiday decor at home. So let's get started. Materials needed are a balloon stand with a strong and steady base so your tree won't lean. I am using my balloon lamp stand that comes with a steady base and 5 of these 1 feet poles. I am using all 5 of them. The stand is easy to assemble. You take the first pole, screw it tightly onto the base, and screw tightly the others onto it. I added this 10-pound weight plate for a strong and a much more sturdy base. You will also need balloons, of course, 5 inches, 11 or 12 inches, and 18 inches, brand and colors of your choice. I am using 18 inches fashion red, 12 18 inches standard hunter green, 15 12 inches standard hunter green, 12 11 inches fashion red, 6 5 inches standard hunter green, and 4 5 inches fashion red. I am using these 5 inches chrome gold balloons for creating ornaments and these 260Q balloons for attaching them onto the tree. You can also use glue dots or a low temperature glue gun. For your topper, you can use a foil star balloon. I am using this super cute 17-inch foil red bow balloon for my topper. A balloon pump, manual or electrical. I highly recommend an electrical to save time and breath. A balloon sizer. The first set of 5 large clusters will be sized down to 14 inches. I don't have a sizer that goes up to 14 inches, so I took 2 chairs, separated them, and measured 14 inches between one and the other. I will use my balloon sizer box for sizing down the smaller balloons. Let's first start by inflating 3 18-inch balloons of the same colors and size them down to 14 inches. Press down on the balloons and slowly release the air to get that nice round shape for a professional look. Pull the balloons through and slowly release the air until they just passes through, and tie them together into a duplet. To tie them together, lay one neck over the other, pull tight against each other, wrap around twice, and tie a simple knot. Now take the single balloon, wrap it twice around the center of the duplet, and tie it to one of the balloon necks of the duplet to form a triplet. Repeat the steps with the last 2 different colors of balloons to form a duplet. Now take your triplet and duplet and twist the balloons together at the center where the necks are tied. Twist them at least 2 to 3 times until they feel secure. Repeat the steps, forming a 13-inch cluster, 12-inch cluster, and a 10-inch cluster. Now that all of our large clusters are formed, let's repeat the process, forming our medium clusters. Let's first start by inflating 3 12-inch green balloons and size them down to 9 inches by pressing them up against the 9-inch hole of the sizer box, and slowly release the air until they just fit through. And do the same with the 2 11-inch red balloons and form a set of 5 9-inch cluster. Repeat the steps forming an 8-inch cluster, 7-inch, 6-inch, and 5-inch. Let's form our small clusters. Remove the small nozzle and attach it to the large nozzle. Inflate 3 5-inch green balloons and 2 5-inch red balloons and size them down to 4 inches and form a set of 5 4-inch clusters. Repeat the steps forming a 3-inch cluster. To create the mini balloon ornaments to look like lights, form 2 sets of 3-inch clusters and tie each end of the 260 around each cluster. Repeat the steps forming 2 sets of 3 2-inch clusters and as many 3-inch and 2-inch mini ornaments as you like. Let's build the balloon Christmas tree. I attach an uninflated balloon onto the top of the stand to prevent balloons from popping and to secure them onto the stand. Take your first 3 largest clusters, set of 5, starting with 14 inches, 13 inches, and 12 inches, and slide them onto the bottom of the stand between 2 of the balloons. Twist them around each other to lock them into place and gently press down on them so that they are all sit nice and flat. When stacking the clusters, make sure you follow the same color pattern as your previous clusters and make sure the balloons are nestled in between the gaps of the balloons of your previous clusters. Now that the largest clusters are stacked, keep repeating the process, stacking small clusters as you go up. This will create the perfect Christmas tree shape. Starting with 10 inches, 9 inches, 8 inches, 7 inches, 6 inches, 5 inches, 4 inches, and ending with 3 inches. As you can see, the balloons don't always end up in the right direction. Just twist them till all of them are aligned correctly to follow the same color pattern. I used the neck to neck method. I just found a scratchy neck in the 4-inch cluster and tied it to a scratchy neck in the 5-inch cluster, and I did the same with the 3-inch cluster. Now it's time to decorate. I wrapped the mini gold clusters randomly around the tree to look like ornaments. I use a hand pump to inflate the foil bow balloon. Tape back the neck of the balloon and a glue dash to attach it onto the top of the tree. step back and adjust the tree so it looks full, even, and festive. Your balloon Christmas tree is now complete. Perfect for photos, parties, and holiday events. Thanks so much for watching. This was my first time creating this balloon Christmas tree using a stand, and it turned out so cute and festive. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY balloon projects. Happy holidays. Until next time, you guys stay blessed, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.